It's another beautiful day. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana. In this channel Hakuna Matata. For my subscribers, thank you very much for your support, for your likes, comments. I really appreciate it. I also learn something more from you guys. I receive your opinions. Thank you so much. For those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss anything that is happening in this channel. Karibu sana. Okay guys, we are going to make trinket trays today, and two trinket trays. Two trinket trays as usual with our main material, that is epoxy resin. Today we are just going to use 1:1 ratio by volume. Okay, so it's trinket trays. We are going also to use natural flowers, dried natural flowers. Also we are going to use glitters. Also we are going to use mica powder. Come with me to the end. Here comes the best part, demolding, and see the results. Wow, I'm so curious to see the results. When I design, I have the ideas on how they will come out, but when I've done it, I really want to see if they have come out the way that I was, imagining them. Anyway, you tell me in the comment section, would you use these trays? Thank you so much for your support, for being there with me from the start to this far. If you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on the next video. Bye.